Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Santander bank account. Firstly, open up your web browser. Once you've opened your web browser, in the search bar, type in Santander Online Banking. After you press enter, you can click on the first link. Once you do that, the login page of the bank will open. Now on the right hand side of the screen, you'll need to click on Login. Start by typing in your username, followed by your password. If you don't have an account and you're using this for the first time, you can click on Enroll Now to create an account. If you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on these buttons. If you want to double check your password, you can click on the eye icon. Once you've filled in the information, click on Login. Once you've done that, you'll be logged into your account. Those were the few easy steps to log into your account. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.